Good morning, everyone. I hope you're feeling terrific on this wonderful Tuesday morning. I'm Claire Guzzi from Miss Zervis's class.
And I'm Alexa Getzloff from Miss Mesner's class. Thank you for tuning in to watch Burnside today, the latest school news brought to you by awesome fourth graders just like us.
Today is Tuesday, September 25th, 2018. Did you know today is National Comic Book Day?
National Comic Book Day is a super cool day.
Comic books are great reading. They either tell an ongoing story, provide humor, or offer intrigue and suspense.
In all comic books, good eventually prevails over evil, so comic books always make us feel good.
If you are looking for a comic book to read, you should see if your classroom library has any graphic novels.
Yes, graphic novels are just a long comic book. I love to read them. You may also ask your teacher if you may go to the library and check out a graphic novel.
Good to know. I can't wait to find a good comic book today.
Today is also a special day because we have a lucky Burnsider who is turning a year older today.
Happy Burnside birthday to Veda R. from Mrs. Showroom's class.
We hope you have a great day.
Remember that here at Burnside we are always our best. Be safe, engage, stay kind, and take ownership.
You can make sure you are being your best in your classroom by following your classroom rules and walking in the room.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, I'm Claire Guzzi.
And I'm Alexa.
Now we invite all students and staff to please stand up and recite the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, boys and girls. We have an assembly coming up, so it is time for our Burnside Best with assemblies. Be safe. Walking feet. Hands to yourself. Bottom on the floor. E, engage. Whole body listening. Follow directions. Positive audience responses, and focus on the presenter. S, stay kind. Use your best voice volume, 0 to 4. Maintain personal space. Hold the door for others. Wait your turn. Be on time and ready. T, take ownership. Be aware of electrical equipment and cords. Leave the cones in place. And boys and girls, if you can do this, we are going to have an awesome assembly, Burnside Best. Woo!